Hi guys, what we have here, we have a bear's fade, high fade from the sides, lower at the back. He likes to make it very high because he's like has less thickness here. So when we go high, he fixes the issue in the sides, but from the back, we're gonna go very low, drop fade. I'll show you how you do it. Watch me. The usual first thing we start, we put set the guideline using the 0. Next step, we shape everything below the guideline. Next step, you use your shaper halfway. Next one, you use your trimmer and you hit this harsh line between the super 0 and the 0. Next one, level open clipper and you jump with 1 inch. Next one, you open the clipper halfway and you hit only on this line here on the middle. Now you jump to 1.5 level open and you cut about like 1 or 1.5 inch. Next step, number 1, level open, and you cut just before the end of the number 2. Last one, you jump with half, level open, and you hit only on this line. This last line, once you remove it, the fade is finished. Now, last step, the fade is finished, but I want to match between my fade and the top. So what I'm gonna do, I will use number 2, level open, and I'll flick the clipper that way just to match between my fade and the top. You see this line? That's what I'm trying to get rid of it. So my friend, how short do you want to from the top? That much? I'll show you the back later. That's a good fade. Awesome.
First choice barber.